Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some of the Your Sugar Platinum Gel Polishes and they are absolutely stunning. I personally love the Your Sugar Gel Polish range, so in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing them. As always, you can find where I purchased these from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I've purchased 8 of the Platinum Gel Polishes. I've already done their bottle swatches and I'll go through them in number order, starting with UR01, which is a stunning, super bright, glittery silver. They all have the same consistency, which is quite thick to be fair, but it is packed full of super fine glitter bits. Next we have UR02, and it's a stunning, what I would call gunmetal black with a hint of silver. I adore this colour, it is so pretty, but then I wear black all the time, so I'll definitely be wearing this. It is just beautiful. Next we have UR06, and is what I call a forest green colour. Now I've got a stamping polish from Colour Alike, just like this gel polish. I did find it quite hard to capture in photo the true colour of UR06, but it is stunning though. Next we have UR08, which is a beautiful pale gold. Now I was actually hoping that this would be more of a rose gold. It is still, however, very pretty, and even though I'm not a huge gold fan, I would definitely 100% wear this one. This next gel polish is the only one which is a slightly different consistency glitter wise. When I put it by another one, hopefully you can see the difference. This is UR11. The difference I found was that this one has slightly bigger bits of glitter as well as the super fine, but it is a beautiful purple, and it's a very deep dark purple too. Next we have UR12, which is a super pretty pink. There is 15 colours in this range in total, and I'll most probably be purchasing the other 7 at a later date. But this pink has to be one of my favourites out of the 8 that I have. But this is a truly stunning range. Next we have UR13, which is a beautiful purple. I'm excited to add these to some manis. I already have a few ideas which I'm hoping to get started on really soon. But how pretty is this purple? I can actually see this being a real popular one. And finally we have UR15, which is a gorgeous darker blue. UR14 is a lighter blue, and I almost chose that one over this one, but I'm so glad I went with UR15 as it's a stunning shade of blue, and one I know I'll be using in the winter quite a lot. I have a no wipe top coat which I'll be using to finish off my swatches, and I have 2 sets of 4 pop sticks which I'll be swatching onto. I'm going to be using a silicone tool to show a different way of applying one of the gels, and I'll be also using a old scraper as a tile as well. I'll be applying a layer of each of the first 4 platinum gel polishes. Now I've wanted some gels like this for a while. There's a foil gold on the market from a brand called Accents, and I've wanted to try and find something like it. Now unfortunately these aren't, but they do make fantastic looking nails. I am capping the free edge, but only just. I don't want to add too much glitter to that free edge. I'm also trying to make sure that I apply each layer as evenly as I possibly can. You could use these for accent nails, or to add chunky glitter over the top, or even just full on glitter nails. I'm curing these for 30 seconds in my new Sun 5 UV LED 48 watt lamp. Now they cured brilliantly when I was doing the bottle lids. I did cure one for 60 seconds and they came out with no tacky layer whatsoever. I was like, oh okay, that's different. But how stunning do these look though? Now that they're cured, I'm going in to apply my second layer. Now you could apply these with a gel brush to try and get a better even coverage. I'm not a fan of putting glitter gels into my brushes, which is why when I apply the second layer of the gold, you'll see me doing it in a slightly different way. You could go in with a similar base colour first and then a layer of the glitter gel over the top, but to be fair, these built up in two beautiful coats and they're not bulky at all. So with the gold, I'm going to decant some onto the scraper and use the silicone tool to apply the layer. It's my preferred way of applying them. The silicone tool is so much easier to clean. Also, with it having a pointy end, you can really move that glitter gel to where you want it to be. I will be top coating all of these at the end, but these are so twinkly. So I'll now move on to the other four and I'll just repeat the same again. Now when these arrived and I saw them for the first time, I thought to myself, these are going to make some fantastic Christmas and New Year's money. Full on sparkle nails. I've also got some glitters that are new to me that are going to work so well with these. I did find that you didn't need to keep the layers super thin. You could actually apply a little bit more product because they all cured so well. All of these colours will work well together. Obviously the silver will work with all of them, but the pink and the purple will work. The two purples, the green and the gold, there's lots of different combinations. I'm really excited to use these in some manis, to also see what chunky glitter looks like over them as well, but to also add some stamping too. And I'm definitely looking into purchasing the other 7. I absolutely adore these. I have many other Your Sugar gel polish videos here on my YouTube channel. You can find them under my Your Sugar playlist. I also have some swatch photos that will be going up on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box. These were quite hard to capture the sparkle on camera. They're just so pretty though, and you really can't feel any of the glitter through the top coat. It is silky smooth, and to be honest, I could look at these all day. So now I've got all 8 here, all finished cured. I'm going to apply a layer of the no wipe top coat to finish them off with, and I'll be curing that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Applying the top coat is making them even more twinkly. So what do you think of the platinum gels from Your Sugar? Are they something you would purchase? I paid £1.69 for each of these gel polishes, which is so affordable. I think that's about $2. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Your Sugar platinum gel polishes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.